For marketing teams, writing is everywhere. Blog posts, email campaigns, social media copy, landing pages, ad text. The words you choose affect how people feel about your brand, how clearly your message lands, and ultimately, how many actions get taken. That's why choosing the right AI writing assistant matters. Two standout tools are Grammarly and Wordtune. They both help you write better, faster, and with fewer errors, but they serve marketers in slightly different ways. Let's start with Grammarly. Grammarly is widely known and trusted. It specializes in grammar, punctuation, clarity, and tone. For marketers, it helps ensure your copy is error-free and professional. It catches spelling mistakes, unclear sentences, passive voice, and gives suggestions to make your writing stronger. It also has features like tone detection, plagiarism checking, and integration with browsers, email clients, and writing platforms. Because it focuses on correctness and polish, Grammarly is very useful if you publish often, work with many writers, or need to maintain brand consistency. The main trade-off is that while Grammarly is excellent at cleaning up copy, it may not offer as much creative rewrite flexibility. If your copy needs more flair, paraphrasing, or tone shifting, you may find yourself reaching for extras. Now let's look at Wordtune. Wordtune takes a slightly different angle. Its strength is rewriting for tone, length, clarity, or style. For marketers writing headlines, calls to action, social captions, or converting long content into tighter versions, Wordtune excels. It offers paraphrasing options, tone controls, for instance more casual or more formal, and it helps you express ideas in a clearer, more engaging way. For marketers, that means you can take a rough draft and quickly polish it into something that sounds more like your brand voice. Its interface is simple, and the feature set is oriented toward crafting, rather than strictly correcting. The trade-off is that Wordtune is less focused on deep grammar audits or plagiarism checking, compared with Grammarly. If your process needs strong compliance, writer workflows, or heavy team editing oversight, you might feel those features are somewhat lighter. So which tool is better for marketing teams? If your priority is robust grammar checks, error-free copy, integrated workflows across writers and editors, and you often need reassurance your writing is clean and on brand, then Grammarly is likely the better fit. It gives you peace of mind, strong integrations, and a broad toolkit for correctness. Either way, the best choice depends on your workflow, how many writers you work with, how much rewriting versus proofreading you do, and how much you value creativity versus correctness. Choose the one that fits how your marketing team actually writes, not just the one with the longest feature list.